Hello and welcome back to my another tutorial. In this tutorial I'm going to share with you how to change wallpaper in your Vivo Y51. So let's take a look how to do that. In order to do that, you need to click in the phone settings section. After click over settings section, you're going to find here something say lock screen and wallpaper. After click over lock screen and wallpaper, you're going to find this new screen appear just like this. You need to click here wallpaper. We're going to see there is a bunch of preloaded wallpaper available in Vivo Y51. You can easily choose any of them. For example, I would like to set this picture. If I set this picture, you can see the preview how it's going to be looks like. Let me make here apply. After click over apply, you're going to see something appear. Do you like to set this picture on lock screen or set as desktop or set as both? Let me make in this video purpose I would like to set this in a wallpaper. So you're going to click here set as desktop. Now it's going to be a warning. We're going to click here continue, and now if I go back, we're going to see the new picture is appear in our phone. You might have a favorite picture and you want to set them in your wallpaper. In order to do that, again you need to click in the phone settings section. After click over settings section, you're going to click here lock screen and wallpaper. After click over lock screen and wallpaper, you're going to find here something say wallpaper. Now you might had a favorite picture and you want to set them. For that, you need to click this picture icon. After click over the picture icon, you're going to see the picture available in our phone. You can easily choose any of them. For example, I would like to set this picture and then you're going to see the preview or the area you want to set. Let me make this picture on home screen. So let me make here this check mark and let me go back. And you're going to see in my picture now it's appear new wallpaper. So in this way you can easily change wallpaper in your Vivo Y51. So that's for now. Thanks for watching my video. See you next one. Peace.